How to delete a video from TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete a video from TikTok at once. So first thing, go to your TikTok application on your phone. So click on profile. Now this is the video I want to delete. Now tap on this video. Now tap on those 3 points. Now you have a lot of options, say the video, add to favorite, copy link, and a lot. Remove this until the end. You're gonna find delete, tap on there, then tap on delete. Wait a minute, and the video have completely deleted from your profile. So this is how you delete a video from your profile TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.